Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all having a wonderful new year. In this video, I'm trying to make a pet bed out of a TV box. So here you can see I cut out the cardboard into two large sized sheets. Here I'm using so many strips of cardboard pieces as a reinforcement before I'm adding another layer of cardboard on top. I'm using hot glue and the glue sticks are black colored heavy duty type. It's a usual question people ask me how much weight it can bear, and I'm sure it can be around 50 kilograms because that's my weight. This is the part where I'm adding the sideboards. To make a backing board, I'm using two separate sheets of cardboard, and mine was not tall enough for the specific design, so I'm adding another two small pieces of cardboard on the center part like you can see here, then marking the design before I cut it out. Then I hot glued the backing board into the base. Then I used duct tape to give it an extra strength. To upholster it, I cut out the foam into the size and shape of the backing board. The fabric should be big enough to cover the surface, and the material I'm using is pink velvet. Here I'm just following a regular tufting method. Unlike all the other parts, sewing the design takes a bit of time and patience, but it's quite easy. Here you can see how I secured the thread behind the backing board, and remember to use a strong thread while we are sewing the button onto the cardboard. Here I'm securing the fabric seam into the cardboard base with hot glue, and all the other sides are done with the same method, covering with some foam and fabric. To finish the other sides, I'm using extra piece of cardboard covered with fabric. I'm using a bead string and sewing it onto the edges of the backing board. For the seating cushion, I used a 2-inch thick foam and made a cover for it. It is removable. I used an old piece of plywood chipboard for the base so I can add the real legs into it, because it's not possible to add these kind of legs into the cardboard base. So it will give a more strength and it can hold a lot of weight on it. To connect the two parts, I used the wood glue and let it dry for a couple of days. And here it is. It can be a beautiful treat for your pet and they will absolutely love it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a huge thumbs up. Until I see you next time. Bye bye.